Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that this has been a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, this hasn't been a good move. Everybody would agree, good, solid move. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at 16.5 cents. Why is 16.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 16.5 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set right there. You'd have that one down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I am just defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 16.5 cents. What about areas of resistance? So if this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? So let's zoom up the chart here a little bit. This level looks like it was broken today, but not sustained above, therefore still a level of resistance. Yeah, right there at 18 cents. So yes, 18 cents was broken above, but price could not maintain above it, therefore still a level of resistance. And this makes sense. I say that if you go back here, you can see a whole multitude of times the bulls try to press up through that 18-cent area and couldn't quite do it. So I'm not saying 18 cents is impossible to break or anything like that. I'm just saying according to the past story of the chart here, as was confirmed today, that yeah, the bulls are going to have to bring their A game if they want to fight above it and then stay above it. All in all, though, very nice day today, so we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.